Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of EWA app. You will go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here, we'll search about EWA and you will click. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.